Namaste friends, welcome to Infinity Pi Math. Today we are going to solve this interesting math problem. The question is, if square root of x minus 1 by x plus square root of 1 minus 1 by x is equal to x, find the value of x, and the value of x is greater than 1. Let us consider square root of x minus 1 by x as a and square root of 1 minus 1 by x as b. Then this equation we can write it as a plus b is equal to x. Let us consider this as equation number 1. As we have already considered a is equal to square root of x minus 1 by x, this we can write this as x minus 1 by x whole to the power 1 by 2. Now squaring both the sides, we can write a square is equal to x minus 1 by x. Similarly, b is equal to square root of 1 minus 1 by x, that is equal to 1 minus 1 by x whole to the power 1 by 2. Now squaring both the sides, we can write b square is equal to 1 minus 1 by x. Now we can subtract this equation with this equation and we can write a square minus b square is equal to x minus 1 by x minus 1 minus 1 by x, and we can simplify this as a plus b whole multiply with a minus b, and the right hand side we can write it as x minus 1 by x minus 1 minus minus, that is plus 1 by x. Now this minus 1 by x and plus 1 by x will cancel out, and we can write this as a plus b whole multiply with a minus b is equal to x minus 1. From the above we know that the value of a plus b is equal to x. Now we can replace the value of a plus b as x and can write this equation as x multiply with a minus b is equal to x minus 1. Hence we can write this as a minus b is equal to x minus 1 divided by x, that is equal to 1 minus 1 by x. Let us consider this as equation number 2. As we know, a plus b is equal to x and a minus b is equal to 1 minus 1 by x. Now add these two equations, then this plus b and minus b will cancel out, and here we can write 2a is equal to 1 minus 1 by x plus x. Now we can write this equation as 2a is equal to 1 plus x minus 1 by x. The value of x minus 1 by x is equal to a square. So replacing the value of x minus 1 by x as a square, we can write this equation as 1 plus a square. Now we can write this equation as a square minus 2a plus 1 is equal to 0. If you look closely, this is a minus 1 whole square. A minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. It means we can write this as a minus 1 is equal to 0, or we can write a is equal to 1. From the above equation, we know that value of a square is equal to x minus 1 by x. Hence we can write this as a square is equal to, it means 1 square, that is 1, is equal to x minus 1 by x. Now let us solve this equation, and we can write it as 1 is equal to x square minus 1 divided by x, and further simplifying this we can write x is equal to x square minus 1, and we can write this as x square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation and the value of a is 1, b is minus 1 and c is minus 1, and solving this equation we can write this as x is equal to minus b, that is minus 1 plus or minus square root of b square, that is minus 1 square, minus 4ac, 4 into 1 into minus 1 divided by 2a, that is 2 into 1. So, this equation will become 1 plus minus 1 plus 4, that is 5, square root of 5 divided by 2. As we know the square root of 5 is 2 point something, then if you do 1 minus 2 point something, it will become a negative number. As we know x must be greater than 1, so this negative value should not be an answer. Then the answer is x is equal to 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. In another way, you can also find the value of b and solve the respective equation to find the value of x. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it enjoyable and informative. If you did, I kindly ask for your support by liking, sharing and subscribing to this channel. Thanks again. Until next time, take care and bye bye.